Hey, what's up, my people? Today I'm going to open PT Pop Star Wars Edition. I have this pack for, I think, for more than a year, and I was waiting for a special occasion to open it, and every day is special, right? So let's open today. Okay. The box looks very nice in my opinion, and we have like 3 bits. We can see, we can see Luke Skywalker, Obi-Wan, Kenobi and Java. They look, I like how they look. Okay, I think I will going to need a knife to open it. Okay, it's going to be destroyed. Okay, I'm so proud of myself. I have opened it. And okay. Oh, it's in a special bag. So okay. Please bear with me, because it's really not easy to open it, as everything I open basically always have the problems. I don't want to destroy it at all, so that's really not easy to open. Okay. Oh, hey, it looks amazing. Very well detailed, especially considering the size of it. It's not bad at all. It's Hammerhead. I don't remember him, but you probably do, so share it in the comment section. So hey, and okay, it's opened already, so you can see this in 360. But okay, I thought there are going to be, because here, as you can see, it says PT display shelf included, and I thought it's going to be something better than this, but it's, I think they think that is this BT display shelf included. It's so lame of them. It basically looks terrible, like very cheap plastic, and that's all. Okay, I have to say I was wrong, and you can find this here, so my bad. I'm sorry, Funko Pop. Okay, any of them is not closed, so let's put them in the shelf. Okay, and it looks way better. So please subscribe me and check out the last videos. I hope you are going to love them.